In this video, I will show how to add seconds in taskbar clock. Watch full video to show seconds in system clock of Windows. Follow the steps. Let's start. Press Win key and R from the keyboard. Type REGEDIT and click OK button. Expand H key current user. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows. Then, expand current version. Expand Explorer folder. Click Advanced folder. Here in the right side, find Show Seconds in System Clock. If not find, then right-click and go to New, and choose the word 32-bit value. Type Show Seconds in System Clock in this format. Right-click and choose Modify, then type value 1 and click OK button. Close this window and restart your computer. After the computer restart, you will see seconds in taskbar clock. If you are a new visitor on this channel and like this video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos.